Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. So what is today? Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Let's go ahead and go over the weather. The weather is going to be sunny. The temperature is going to be around 90 degrees, maybe higher, but it's going to be hot. For our life skills this week, we will be practicing brushing our teeth. So make sure that you are brushing your teeth, counting at least up to 10 seconds while you do it. Or you can sing the happy birthday song, but make sure you brush your teeth. Remember, be active. So remember, you can play outside and run around and just run all your energy out. Get some exercise. For social skills, I'm going to ask you to give me one thing you will do better today. So for me, I'm going to be organizing myself a lot better today. It can be with school, it can be here at the house, organize my closet or my drawers, my kitchen. I think I'm going to redecorate. So today I'm going to organize better. For today's agenda, we're going to be doing math. We're going to be focusing on math, story time, exercise, morning meeting, and life skills. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me so that we can go ahead and move forward. And I was wrong. It's not math. We're doing reading today. But we'll get that in your assignment packet. Let's go ahead and get started.